To make a call with the TELUS Business Connect desktop application, you want to open the application, go to the dial pad, and enter the phone number of the person you wish to dial here by tapping on the numbers or by entering them with your keypad. You can also dial any contacts you have by tapping on the plus button here, locating them, and selecting their number or extension if that's how you wish to reach them. You can also choose which number you dial out as by selecting one of these as your caller ID. And then to send the call, press this button here. The call will then be connected using your microphone and speakers as your default communication devices. And that's how you make a call.